Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you is a hidden menu that's found in the RAV4 audio display. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure that the audio is off. So as you can see, no sound, and what you're going to do is turn off the screen. So you start with menu, display, screen off, and what you're going to do next is swipe right 5 times. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a menu comes up. So this is the service menu that you normally see at the service at the dealership, that you can go through and check things around the audio unit, function settings, and you can also change the microphone settings. So if you've got Bluetooth issues and whatnot, this is the place that you can change some of the settings, service information, and product information about the car. And to get out of this menu, you just have to switch off the car and reboot. Thanks for watching.